Are you looking for an affordable home in New Smyrna Beach? Well, the Johnson Group might have a product that is right for you. Hi, I'm Justin with homesofdaytonabeach.com, and today I'm going to take you and show you the coastal cottage that they're now offering in Venetian Bay. If you're interested, you have any questions, you can reach us in the comments below, or you can always reach us on our website at homesofdaytonabeach.com. Coastal Cottages at the Palms here in Venetian Bay. This particular home is built by the Johnson Group. Now, the Johnson Group is a builder who's been building in the Daytona Beach, New Smyrna area for many, many years, and they built a lot of the communities that we're all familiar with. So in the description below, I'm going to put what I believe to be the standard features that this particular property was offering. So if you're curious about that, just check down below and you'll be able to see that. As I walk you through, I'm going to talk to you a little bit about this house. So this house is a 2-bedroom, 2-bath, 2-car garage. We don't see a whole lot of 2-bedroom homes built, and I believe that we should probably see more of those built. So I'm glad the Johnson Group recognized that and are starting to put this product out for people. Inside the home, the thing that very first stood out to me was the amount of natural lighting that came into this house. Now, the second thing that stood out to me, on a smaller property, sometimes a home's gonna feel like an apartment, and this property doesn't feel like an apartment. This is actually a very, very nice house. All the surfaces were nice. And again, I believe it's just part of the package of the house. I don't know that it's set up as a model with things that you're not gonna get. These are the things that I believe everyone's going to get. You've got granite countertops. You're gonna have those in both the bathrooms. You can see the vinyl plank flooring here. Now, they do have an option for carpet in the bedrooms should you prefer carpet in the bedrooms. I myself prefer it that way. Other people like to just have the solid surfaces from one end of the house to the other. The dual vanities, the nice mirror, again, standard features. Same thing with the stand-up shower. This house does have the water closet, and it's going to have a walk-in master closet for the master bedroom. As I walk you over and show you the second bathroom as well as the second bedroom, I want to remind you some of the things the community has. So it's got a golf course out here. It's got a fitness center. There's restaurants inside this community. It's got one of the best looking pools and tiki bars around. It looks like something you'd see at a resort, but it's actually just a community pool. So if you've not seen that or you're unfamiliar with Venetian Bay as a whole, check out some of our other videos. I'll link that down in the description as well below. But again, if you ever need us, you can always just reach us on our website, homesofdaytonabeach.com. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed our little walkthrough of the coastal cottages. And again, if you have any questions, you can always reach us on our website at homesofdaytonabeach.com.